In this video, I will show you how to save TikTok videos without the watermark. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you want to do is open up TikTok on your device and choose the video that you want to download. So this is a video I have chosen for this example, so I'm just going to pause this, and what you want to do first is click onto the share button. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way to the right and click onto the more option here. Now go ahead and click the copy URL button to copy the link and come out of TikTok. Next, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and then what you need to do is come across to google.com, and in the Google search box go ahead and type SSS TikTok. So what you want to do is click onto the top result, which should be ssstic.io, and then go ahead and paste your video link into here. Next, click the download button underneath, and you'll see it's going to start converting ready to download. So after a minute or two, you're going to get a screen like this, and all you want to do is click download without watermark. This is going to display an ad, so all you need to do is cross this off, and you'll see that's going to start downloading. And if I open this up, you will see the video is now playing without the TikTok watermark. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.